Hey everybody, thanks for stopping by. My name is Laura and I'm going to show you how I do my big messy bun. So what you're going to need to start with is big messy hair. That's going to help versus like smooth straightened hair. So what I do is just, I already have my hair really wild and messy, either from blow drying it all over the place, or honestly, if I already have dirty hair because I haven't washed it for a few days or something, that's going to make it really nice and messy. But the messier it is before it goes up, the messier it's going to look when you put it up, and the better it's going to look. So the second thing I'm going to do after having my messy hair is figure out where I'm going to put the bun. So I'm going to put it right here. Like, I want this to be big and on top of my head, like the biggest bun that I can get. And yeah, right here. I love the way that it looks with the tightness at the back and right here. Okay, so messy hair, picking where you're going to put it. So what I'm going to do to get it here is I'm going to tip all my hair upside down. So bear with me here. And get all of my hair just like straight down here, flowing this way. And then I'm going to grab it, and my elastics, and I'm going to grab it where I want the bun to go, which I said was right about here. Try to get all my hairs like tightly down into this area. And I'm even going to bring my bangs up. There we go. And make sure my hairs aren't sticking to my sandpaper shaped head. This, grabbing those nice and tight. And then I'm going to put my elastic around. And so what I like to do is just seriously make it like as messy as possible, is pull my hair kind of through, like sort of like half once, spin my elastic, and then put it around a second time, and hope it doesn't break. I just tried to do this and I broke one, and I just started over. Okay, and awesome, okay. And then from here, I'm going to play around with it to get it to be exactly how I want it looking. So one thing I like to do is take your fingers and put them inside of your ponytail and then pull at some of the hairs near the front so that it grabs the whole bun and moves it forward. And then some of these other hairs that are sticking down, you could just grab them and sort of wrap them around the base and tuck them either up into the elastic if you can, or if you need to secure with a bobby pin, you can secure with a bobby pin too. And then with your bangs, kind of put them wherever you want. And then let's see how this looks from the side here. Maybe you need to pull it apart. I've had to play with these just to get the shape right. But I don't want it to look perfect. I want it to look messy. That's kind of fun. Whoo, it's big. Okay, cool. And then, you could choose whether to keep these all up, which is kind of fun. Let's do that. Tuck. I'm going to put a few bobby pins in, just for some of these loose ones. And I really want to have these tight here, so I'm going to just stick a bobby pin up here. And then one here to keep my bangs over. Awesome. And then hairspray it. And there's my big messy straight bun. Tuck. And then from the back. There. I hope that you get some inspiration out of this bun. And I'll see you guys all next week. Thank you. Like, subscribe. See you again.